Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will make one of the best white rum-based cocktails for you. The classic Caipirinha. Caipirinha is Brazil's national cocktail, and made from cachaça, but today I will use Bacardi white rum. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. Let's start. Now I will put 4 pieces of fresh lemon moon. Two spoons of sugar. You will be surprised to know that Brazilian cachaça is also a white rum, and made directly from sugar cane juice. One and a half ounces of light rum. You can use any light rum of your choice. Okay, now I will gently muddle all the ingredients. I will advise you to muddle in presence of alcohol, as it helps to extract flavoring elements from the solid. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Pack up the glass with lots of fresh crushed ice. Fresh ice has lower temperature, and melts slowly, and this way it increases the life of the cocktail. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at your next party, and share your experience with me. Okay, now I will use a bar spoon to stir all the ingredients to mix properly. You can check the description box for the detailed recipe. This method is known as muddling in mixology terminology. And if you want to know more about this technique, please write to me in the comments section. I will add a little more crushed ice for better look. Wonderful. A swizzle stick for you. Today I am using a dehydrated lemon slice for better appearance. But you can always use a fresh garnish. Caipirinha cocktail is ready for you. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.